y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. I know I am, and you know what I say, any day above and not under is a blessed day. Okay, now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come on, y'all, let's subscribe. Get this, share it, share. Sharing is caring. Now, as y'all can see, today we're doing a seafood boil. It's actually crawfish and king crabs and some tiger shrimp. Yes. And I have some corn and potatoes down in there, and I have some rice over there, and these, what are these again, Cara? Cucumber. My girl Woota said I need to try them. Woota, shout out to my girl Woota, because she also tried, she IG'd me for the recipe, the curry sauce that I did, and I gave it to her. She tried it and she loves it. Thank you, Woota, baby. All right, now let's get started. Oh, where to start, Cara? Where to start? Y'all, today my baby girl, she made her butter sauce. Yes, she said, Mama, you need to try my butter sauce. So I got her butter sauce. We're gonna try. All right, y'all. Okay. That's good, caramel. What you got all up in there? Lots of stuff?
I have cayenne pepper, slap your mama, and what's it called? That bowl, the seafood.
Old Bay?
Yeah.
It's kind of spicy, so I know you put some spice up in here. Yes, y'all. How was everybody's day? I ain't even share. I'm sorry. But you know I gotta get the first bite. I gotta make sure it's right before I share it. I can't just give y'all any old thing. Oh no. What y'all want, a shrimp or a crawfish? Alright, y'all ready? Open wide. Come on now. Y'all, today my baby girl back there, she directing y'all. She say, I'm doing this video, Mama. You know my other baby girl ain't far behind. How was your day, darling?
Good.
Good? Yeah. Ooh. Shashi, what's going on, Mama? How was your day?
It was good.
It was good. What you do today, other than work and chat? You know she be talking.
And cuss pointing out.
Oh Lord, I ain't in it. Y'all, today is finger food day. Yes, it is. I ain't got no forks up here, and I'm gonna be using my finger. That tastes good. Just savage eating today, Cara. I'm gonna savage it up. Y'all, I tasted this daggone crawfish. It tastes so good. These little things. Look at that. Look at that. See that? This sauce is spicy too. Sucking the juice out of the head is so satisfying. It is. Well, let's taste this cucumber, y'all. I found it at Walmart. Y'all have to buy it. These are organic cubes. Really good. It's the second bag I done bought for my seafood boil. The first one, my Shoshana ate it. It was so good, man. It was so good. Anybody tell you to touch my stuff? Oh, wee. This thing is good. I'm getting everything. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let's see. It's got a little bit of something in there. Y'all, I cooked it and I had it sitting. So you know it has all them flavors all up in there. Ooh. Cara, I swear that's the best part. It's juicy. It is so juicy. You want to try some, Mama? No. Did you eat already? She just got in from work, y'all. Well, hold on. I ain't got no spoon. Put a little of this. Yes, y'all. I had a marvelous day today. Y'all. Thank you, boo-boo. She don't want me savage eating around here. Yeah. I wanted back in the days they had these wee big. They use their fingers, you know that, right? Not no probably, they use their fingers.
Why didn't they just make
a
fork? Why didn't they just make a fork out of wood or tree?
Listen. Ain't nothing wrong with your fingers. It's like you taste your food. You taste it with the fork, but with the spoon, with your fingers. I love my rice too. Got me some Green Giant.
Whoever's down there going to eating.
Baby, this corn. Ooh, that's spicy.
Need something to drink?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I love when I'm enjoying my food, I really don't talk. It's like, ooh, that's a monster. Excuse me, y'all. Oh. Ooh-wee. Hold on, hold up. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to invite one of my foodie fams over. and cook them a meal. Cook them a meal. Right, Kyra? Me and you. Me and Kyra. Ooh. It's got them juices coming out, baby. Yeah. This one kind of broke up, but yeah, look at that.
You got a whole fork.
I know. I'm bumping. Damn. That was good. Yeah. These got little things on there sticking the mess out of me. I want every bit of my meat. Yeah, baby. My clothes. Food fam know that's why I wear black. Especially doing seafood bowls. Y'all, I looked in my closet, I'm like, all I'm seeing is black and blues. It's very, and I've always been like that. Like, at one point I looked in my closet, it was all brown. I'm like, girl, you need some color. You need some color, child. Oh. Ooh-wee. I wanna, just for that, just for that, I'm not putting you down. I'm gonna eat you. Like I wasn't gonna eat it before. Now it's worse. You wanna stick me? I'm gonna show you better than I can tell you. Right, Foodie fam? Yeah, I'm rude. Now you got the nerve acting like it don't wanna come out. Still. Stuck down in there. Okay. Cause you coming out, boo. You're coming out. I'm telling you, you're coming out. My daughter said, Mama. Yeah, savage eating. Savage. This rice with this seafood, though, it's bomb. It is bomb. It is bomb. Okay, Cara, I'm gonna use my fork. Oh, forgive me, I'm not. This is just easier. There's a lot of cultures that still only use their hands to eat. A lot of cultures. Something about it. It's good. That's good. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes, y'all. My baby Cara has a solo. She plays the clarinet at school. She has a solo performance coming up.
No, I don't. I've been did that.
You been there?
Solo
It's just a concert?
contest.
Hmm?
Solo contest.
Oh, solo you won. That's the one you said you came in first?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
the duet.
Huh?
And the duet.
And the duet. Okay, yeah. Okay. So I can't keep up with everything they got going on. Y'all want a potato? Some of that. There's onions down in there too. I can't find it. Y'all, I outdid myself today. Screw that. My baby Cara said she liked the claws.
No, I like the tails.
I thought you said you liked the claws.
I like the tails.
So why when I took your claw, you said something?
Oh yeah, I do like the claws too.
Oh my God. Hold on. I got you, girl.
I could be shell a claw better than you. Give me one.
I de-shell my things. I take them out the
I want
thing.
to see who do it better. We gonna compare them.
There you go. I got the little tail and everything. You see that little thing waggling its little tail down there? What's wrong with her? Put this thing with some rice, y'all. Yes, yes. Here.
I don't know. It's okay.
You said you wanted to. Come on, girl. You want a contest or something? Oh, she want a contest. Ready? You ain't even got yours out yet. Okay. Man came out too. What's wrong with you? She want to do the most. Over here, y'all. Hold up. Wait a minute. Look at that. Look at that. Came on out. Let me take that little part off. I don't want that. Yeah, see? Got man. She's still over there. She's still over there.
I got a cut.
It cut you?
No, I had a cut.
Oh. Where you got a cut from?
I don't know.
I don't know. Y'all, my clothes messy. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all see how this thing bending?
And excuse me, ma'am.
Your excuse, my dear lady.
Do you see
But
this?
either which way, I still beat you. She just now getting done with that. Talking about, oh, here to cook. Look at that. She said, y'all see that? Okay, foodie fam, I'm gonna share because I know I've been just eating. Yeah, the food is good. I ain't even gonna front. Ooh. Yes. How's it, Cara?
Good. Tastes like seafood.
It's like seafood. Yeah. Dang, it's this daggone song playing in my head, Carla. I almost... looking in your eyes, girl. You know what I'm talking about? No. Contagious? Is that it?
No.
No. She's so dry. No. No.
Not perfect.
For me, it's El Grande. So, leave me alone. Tell them. Okay? Now, hold on. We're going to bring it over to the rice. Yeah. That's good. You want to taste some, Mama? You want to taste none? You don't want to taste the crab meat in the rice? No, the crab meat.
Yeah, just give me the crab leg.
Just give you the leg?
Yep.
You want a leg? You want this one?
Sure. Let me show you how perfect I can make it.
She's gonna tell me how perfect she can make it. Y'all, it's like everything on this plate. It's really, that sauce, that spice. These are good. You got it? Ooh. Excuse me. I am a piggy today.
Seafood and lemon is the best. Seafood and lemon.
That's good. Looks like it's really good. This got this already has lemons in there. I just tasted it too. What's the matter? It had a whole lot of juice. Y'all, right now, I can't even talk. I'm just so focused on eating my food. Like, we're gonna eat. Ooh, excuse me. get this little part out. I really like that part. So. Yes, yes. We ain't did the shrimp with the rice. Y'all, I love rice. Ooh-wee. Cause rice is easy and it goes with just about anything.
You gave us 6 spikes.
Girl, how long it took for you to get that out the shell? Shoot, what's wrong with her? Ooh, I'm gonna put. Look at that! Oh, I just dropped some. I got rice all over me. I sure do. I got rice all over me. You want more?
No.
Okay.
There's more shrimp, yeah.
You know, I only had a few.
Shrimp is my favorite seafood.
Shrimp is your favorite?
Jump.
Yeah, you ate them up. I went in there. I looked in because I had a bag that I hadn't.
3.
3?
Yes.
And it was only 5 left?
Yes.
Oh, well. Them was the big ones. The tiger. I'm like, this child done ate up all my shrimps. She done. Where I buy them shrimps? I don't even remember. Cause if I go anywhere and I see something, worse if it's on sale, I'm grabbing it.
I want it.
So it was when I tell you, Car like, Mama, you gotta cook that stuff. I went in the freezer. That's where you got that cut. When the king crab, cause you said it stuck you. Remember?
Yeah.
She's like, you gotta cook that, Ma. Okay. So,
I don't even sound like that.
how you sound?
You gotta cook that, Mommy.
That's how she sounds, y'all. You gotta cook that, Mom. You're so innocent. Not! Nah, she a good girl, y'all. She acts like a little 12-year-old. Well-mannered. Whew. Our teachers love her. Excuse me. I tried to get her to do the video Sunday with me. Because, you know, she cooked. So I said, come on, Carl. No. Fixed it. She was playing back there. You know, she a kid. My last little baby. Ooh. Hold on. I'm gonna de-shell a bunch of them. You know, this stuff tastes so good with the rice, girl. It's the bomb diggity. You wanna taste some? You could tell when she eat before she get home from work, she want nothing to eat.
Quinn brought Portillo's.
But you were having Portillo's. Okay, her boyfriend bought her Portillo's, baby. Yeah, I gotta clean that out. And then it gonna fall in there. Ain't that a blimp? Oh, this is a nice fat one. Put that to the side. Yeah. Get that out. See, I pulls that out. Drop that up in there. Ooh, that tail came off, baby, right? Ooh. I kind of pulled the back down a little bit and, you know, kind of get that yuck out. Boy, I swear, that man know he loud. He know he loud. All the way, I'm upstairs. They in the basement. 2 stories, right? I hear all their conversation like, dang. Why it gotta be so loud, though? I be in the store and hearing people on their phone like, why is you screaming in the phone? Shoot, ain't they hearing you? Yes, see, that's what I wanted. So, I bunch a little meat together with some rice. Y'all, you're welcome. Y'all don't be scared to use your hands. Make sure you wash them though. Make sure they're clean.
If you see some shrimps, give them to me.
Shrimp? I'm looking one up in here. You want a potato? Hmm? Girl. See a bunch of heads up in her. I see a bunch of heads. I didn't realize I ate that much. But y'all, I'm eating. Hungry. I don't know why I'm so hungry. See some of that lemon on there.
Strong.
I swear I'm gonna start doing the little snow crabs just like this with the scissors. Nobody got time to be playing with them things. Right, Car?
Right.
Right. She said right. This child is playing with my toe. Y'all, she's still the same. When this child was a baby, I could not get away from her. She up in my bed. I won't sleep in her bed. Up in my bed. One night it got so bad I had her and my son. And then you know they sleep bad. They all over the place.
This is back in the day.
Kicking. Talking about this is back in the day. Kicking and whew, I endured a lot of kicking from you and your brother. Shoot. I never had a problem with Shoshana sleeping in her bed. Never. But y'all too. Like the two older ones, I ain't had that problem with. Two younger ones, y'all, they fell asleep one night. I'm like, I can't take this no more. I need some rest. I gotta get some rest. Shoot, I got up. I took my time now and crawled out the bed. Child, went downstairs on the couch to sleep. I heard little steps coming down. Like, what the? Kara used to, when she was younger, and most babies do that when they got stairs. She go to the edge of the stairs, and then she turned herself around, child, and slid down on her belly. And slid down on her belly. So I'm hearing. I'm like, what the? Then shortly thereafter, who was that? Kwani. So, got up out the bed on this little tiny couch with two extra people. Child. And we slept. We slept. She always been like right up under her mama. Right up under her mama. Then she was up under her sister too. Yeah. And under Shuki.
Always.
Yes. Yes. They call her Spud. Hey, Spud, but they got your nickname too, child. Yeah. It's me and my babies. I wouldn't change it. Wouldn't change them for the world, baby. Wouldn't change them or trade them or none of that. I love my kids. I love my kids. Come on out, you little. Yeah. I'm gonna get a little bit of drippings on it. You know what I'm saying, Carl? That was real tangy tonight. Y'all, this girl is enjoying her dinner this evening. Okay? Yeah. It's gonna be a long video. Ooh. Hold on, that's got too much. I'll say that for you, Carl. It's got a lot going on it. know what I'm trying to do. I want to get a nice little chunk of it off. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, yes. Yes, baby. Yes. Yes. Got that sucker out. Y'all see that? Got that nice big fat old piece of meat. Some of this lemon on there. Yes. You ever notice when you're eating seafood, you gotta be concentrating? These are really good. Sweet too. Oh my.
This really is going to be a long video.
Huh?
This is going to be a long video.
Yeah, it is. Y'all, I don't know what it is right now. My appetite is like, yes, my appetite is good tonight. Very good tonight. Mm-hmm. Sometimes I can't eat the food. But not tonight, baby. Tonight, we are very good friends. It's good. I'm really enjoying it, so yes. Y'all know. Gotta stay focused. Ain't nobody trying to get stuck. Girl. See? Got that out. I got it out of there. Getting it out of there. Yeah, no kidding. I really don't want to hold y'all much longer.
You don't feel that?
Hmm?
You don't feel that?
You know what?
You don't feel that?
Of course I know you there. What? Oh, she was right beside me.
Hi.
Talking about hi. I swear this juice is dripping. It's like dripping. Come on. What is your problem? It's got that thing holding it. It's all right. It's all right.
You made my foot go to sleep.
I'm sorry, baby. Mama is kind of hungry tonight. Yeah.
Go ahead, eat up.
Hmm?
So eat up.
Eat up.
Yeah.
Okay, baby. Okay. Mama gonna eat up. Mama whole bowl of crawfish. It's got corn in it. Hold up.
You ain't see that? I've been telling you.
What?
I've been telling you.
Hey, these corns are like, where is Shoshana? She would be big. And I did put 3 up in here to give her 1.
Dang, not me.
You want one?
No, I'm just trying.
There y'all go. Get a bite. Oh, shoot. I'm making a mess, y'all. I want my other corn. Where's that? Here goes shrimp.
I'm sure it's always gonna be there for me.
There's stuff down in there. Look at that.
Maybe if you see another one.
What?
Shrimp.
Girl, gone somewhere.
Hmm?
Come on, hmm? Okay, there we go.
Shrimps are my life.
Shrimps are your life? They good.
What's that sheep?
It's good. It's sweet. That's sweet as apple. Yeah. Y'all, when we started this mukbang, it was light outside.
Hey, I still didn't finish these showing this. I'm trying to get it perfect. And damn.
Cara told me to do this video today. I didn't know what I wanted to eat. Like, Mama, do seafood. Here we are. All right, y'all. That's it from us. Bye. I got leftovers.